What's up, guys? So working today on 2010 Town & Country. It's basically got a 3.8 liter engine. Same thing on a pretty much 2008 all the way to 15 Town & Country Dodge Caravan. You probably know it doesn't have the drain plug for the transmission fluid, but it does have a place to fill it, which is right there. So it's super simple. You see how dark the fluid is? It's black. So you gotta buy one of these suction pumps, or you can drain it, you take the pen down, which is a lot longer. Buy one of those pumps and change your transmission fluid simply. So you can actually drive this car for longer. This one got 186,000 miles and the motor still runs pretty nice. Transmission drives nice too, but I'm pretty sure nobody serviced the trans fluid before, so it's got fluid still coming. It's super black, so we're gonna put some fresh fluid. So, got questions, comments, let me know below.